Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel RJL Innovations. This video is all about the chairs, the foot gliders of the chair. Right now the chair have metal foot glider. And this metal foot glider, it will scratch your floor, especially on vinyl or hardwood and tiles like this, because it might break the tiles on the floor. So what I have to do right now is change the metal foot glider or adapt with another type of foot glider. This is the one I have to put. It's a rubber foot glider. Just insert on the end. It's a 2 inches foot glider, rubber type. Now one chair have a rubber foot glider. And I installed the rest of the rubber foot glider a while ago. And this is the chairs that have a rubber foot glider. And if you can move, there's a traction on it, and it's not very slippery compared to the metal glider. And it won't leave mark on the floor. I hope you like the idea for this kind of project. It's a rubber foot glider for chairs. Please subscribe and share. Until next time.